Hi, my name is Justin, and this is the Android side of the Shifty walkthrough. In this walkthrough, I will be using two devices to show the different features on the tablet compared to the phone. I will also be registering on the phone and logging in on the tablet to be able to show you logging in and signing up pretty much. So for the phone, I will sign up. You'll be able to enter your name, your company name, your email, and your password. Name and company name doesn't really matter, it just can't be empty. But email is going to check for an @ and a .com, and password has to be at least 6 characters. So we're going to add Bob, Bob's company, Bob's email, Bob's password, which is not Bob, and we're going to complete the sign up. You'll see the profile page pop up with the already populated data. The only things that you provided so far are the name and the email, so those are the only things that are going to pop up. You'll be able to go to edit profile, you'll be able to click on this, or click on the image, and you'll be able to change your profile image this way with your camera, and you'll also be able to change your phone number and your email. Phone number, I can just put whatever number, it doesn't matter. You could also change the password, which will pop up a dialog giving you the ability to change your password. You hit save. This populates everything. The images sometimes take a little time to populate, so you may have to just reload the page. But it did save. Next page is the employees, where as you can see there's only one employee because I just registered. But here you will be able to add employees, where I'm going to add 2 employees to be able to show you editing and to be able to log in on the tablet with. So this doesn't matter. Okay. You hit save, it saves it and adds it to the database. The keyboard's still up for some reason. I'm going to add one more, which is going to be the tablet employee at gmail.com. Wait, no, what am I doing? This is the name. I'm going to make my manager. Tablet gmail.com. Save. And as you can see, it has populated all the employees that I've added. You'll be able to see their specific contact information if you need to get in contact with them for whatever reason. You'll also be able to edit, where you can just click on the specific employee, click save, and it'll delete it from the database. This is good for someone that may leave your company or for whatever reason. And now that I've created the second employee for the tablet, I'm going to be signing in. Let me click this so I get the right email. I'm going to be signing in on the tablet to show you the profile and the employee version on tablet. Employee screen version on tablet. So here it'll drop you onto the profile screen, which looks a little different from that phone, but it works the same exact way. You'll hit edit profile, you'll see the edit text pop up, you'll be able to change it, you'll be able to change your profile image with the button instead of clicking on the image. You'll also be able to change your password, which will pop up the same prompt. You'll go to save cancel, and after that you'll be able to go to employees. Same exact thing, it's just in a master detail format specifically for tablets. You'll be able to click on each one, it'll show detail, you'll be able to edit just like you did on the phone, you can add just like you did on the phone. And here's the main difference between the tablet and the phone will be the schedule screen, where you will be able to see a calendar where you can just swap through the months, and you can click on whatever day, you'll see who's working that day. Obviously there's no one working yet in this company, so nothing's going to be populated. Here I'm going to add, and you'll be able to see a list of all your employees, another calendar to pick the day that they are working, and 2 dials to do their shift start and their shift end. There are notable bugs where if you do not change these and you try hitting save, or if you try doing it without hitting an employee, it will crash the app. So make sure that you are changing these and clicking. It is a bug that I realized and we are fixing soon. So as of right now, I'm going to add Bob to the 6th for 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. and we're going to hit save. Right now it's not going to bring you back to the schedule screen like the other pages, because this allows you to add multiple people, because we know that going in and out of the screen could be tedious. We're going to make it look nicer, obviously, to inform you that something's been saved or if you want to go back, but for now it's just going to keep you on the screen. Here we're going to add tablet employee. It doesn't matter the time at this point, but we're just going to add into the same day, hit save. Now to get out of here, we're going to hit cancel. It's going to bring you back to the original schedules page where we added them to the 6th, I believe, and yep, go to see Monday, the people who are working those days, and you'll also be able to edit the list. And that's pretty much it for the schedule on the tablet side. On the phone side, however, you will be able to see just a list of the current week and who is working on those days, because the phone is mainly meant to be seen by the employee, which will just be using it for visual, and the manager or whoever handles the schedule will be using the tablet side because they will be handling the more scheduling part. But for now, 11:06 was the day that I populated. We'll click on here and we can also see it on here. There is no edit on the phone because we decided to keep all of the editing capabilities on the tablet outside of employees, because employees is pretty simple. But you'll see it. This one's organized. This I haven't yet organized, but this will be in order. So you'll be able to see 9 a.m. at the top, whoever's the 9 a.m. shift, and whoever's like the 5 p.m. shift at the bottom. And the last page that is currently working on both devices is the announcements, where you'll be able to just go in, add an announcement with whatever title and whatever body you want, and you can go and click save, and it'll populate. It'll show a basic list where you'll be able to click on it. It'll see a title, who posted it, when it was posted, and what the body is, and you will also be able to add comments to get instant feedback, simply like that, and it'll populate a little list of comments below. And this works just about as you'd expect it on the tablet, except in a master detail in the same exact format. Instead of add comment being up here, add comment is a button down at the bottom to allow you to edit the list at any time you need. But it still works the same way with the same pop-up, and it should update instantly. Yep, updates instantly on both devices. And we're gonna go back now. Or actually, wait, no, let's just show you the edit delete really quick, just to show that it does. As you can see, it deletes. On this page, though, we're currently on here. This is probably a bug that I need to attend to, but if you go back, you'll see it delete. It shouldn't crash the app, though. And that pretty much concludes. The last page that we are working on is, it shouldn't crash the app, but it is currently just going to be a blank screen on both devices, which is going to be the chat screen. It will be implemented soon, but as for right now, there is nothing to be done on that screen. The last thing you'll be able to do is just log out for both devices. And that concludes my video.